Hello friends, welcome back to my channel techgitterofficial. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Windows 11 login password if you've forgotten it. Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step to fix this issue. So, let's get started. First of all, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard, then click the Restart option from the Power menu. Your system will restart and open the Recovery menu. Here, click on Troubleshoot. Now, go to Advanced Options and select Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type Notepad and press Enter. Inside Notepad, click on File, Open. Next, go to this PC, open the C drive, then the Windows folder, and then open the System32 folder. Now comes the important step. Find the file Udelman, right-click on it, rename it to Udelman2 and press Enter. Then, find CMD in the same folder, right-click, and rename it to Udelman. Now close everything and restart your PC. On the login screen, click the Accessibility icon, bottom right corner. Instead of Accessibility options, the Command Prompt will open. In Command Prompt, type NetUser and press Enter. This will show you the usernames on your PC. Now type the following command NetUser guest space *, press Enter. Then press Enter. You will see a message the command completed successfully. Type exit and press Enter. Click Submit now. Windows 11 unlocked. Now go to this PC and click on Local Disk C. Go to Windows folder. Then go to System32 folder. And search for Udelman. Now right-click and copy it. Then right-click and paste it here. Then continue it. Now go to Udelman, copy and rename it as a command. Now close it. Now open CMD. You can see here CMD work properly. And that's how you can easily reset a forgotten Windows 11 password without losing data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.